Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is done in partnership with LUVME Hair. They sent me this beautiful new glueless wig to try out. This is the new 5x5 curly glueless wig with brown highlights. This wig comes in 5 different length options, and there is also an option on the website to order your wig with pre-cut lace. I have my wig in an 18-inch and the lace did not come pre-cut. The lace on this unit does come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-parted. And this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, so you can still part it anywhere you'd like. And before I get into how I installed this wig, I have to give LUVME the credit that they deserve for this packaging. I love the attention to detail that they put into everything in this packaging. This is the first wig company that has sent me a wig with a wig cap that actually matches my skin tone, and I am so thankful because now I don't have to waste my makeup putting it on a beige wig cap that does not match my skin tone. So thank you. Now this wig install is meant to be super quick and easy, so that's exactly what it is. This is actually an old ponytail that I've had in my hair for quite some time, and actually when I installed this wig I had just finished my workout, so when I say this ponytail is old and tired, it's old and tired, and I just threw on the wig cap, and thank goodness it's a wig cap that matches, so I didn't even have to waste time putting on makeup. And I absolutely love the curls and the texture in this wig. These curls are so bouncy and juicy. LUVME, this company did an amazing job prepping this wig. Look at the parting. There are 2 combs in the front of this wig, 1 comb in the middle, which I did not use. There is a comb in the back along with an adjustable strap, and then there's also another elastic band going around the middle that you can adjust as well. And when I first tried this wig on without even cutting the lace, I was shocked at how realistic this hairline looks. And without me having to even add any product, the lace was already melting into my skin. And that honestly hasn't happened very often, so already I'm really liking this wig. Now I had pre-planned to add product to this wig, so I wanted to go ahead and show y'all what it looked like without any product, just in case when you order this wig, you're ordering it because you don't have much time and you really just want to take the wig out the box and throw it on and go. This is what the curls and the texture look like without any product, no added water, no mousse, conditioner, or anything. All in all, this install took me about 10, maybe 12 minutes to do because my kids were in the way and they were bugging me. I got this really cute claw clip from Amazon. It's listed on my Amazon storefront. I am going to cut the lace, and these are shear scissors. Please make sure that you're using professional scissors on your hair and your wigs. Protect your wigs. Now, I cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible. I tried my very, very best not to cut into the hairline because I do often make that mistake, but I think I did a pretty good job this time. And now this step is not necessary, but because I was wearing makeup, I used some of my bronzer and contour, and this is from the Nicka K bronzer contour duo, and I just put that into the hairline of the wig so that it would blend with my makeup, not necessarily my skin, because it was already blending in. Now, as far as the hair, I did decide to wet the hair. I drenched this hair in water, just water, so I could see what it looked like wet. And that kind of gave me an idea of the longevity of this wig. And y'all, I love it because it wasn't shedding, it wasn't tangling, and it was still very soft. And then after I drenched this hair in water, I went in with the classic Black Girl staple, the pink lotion. If you guys remember the pink lotion, comment down below because I saw this in the beauty supply store and I was like, we gotta bring this back because it's cute, it works, and it smells amazing. So I put that all over the hair and made it a little bit softer, defined the curls a bit. And then I went and added some mousse along the hairline, tied that down just so that it would lay flat on my forehead, and this is the final product. I did have to go back in and touch up the hairline with my bronzer and contour, and that was just me being picky because I really didn't want my makeup to like not be on point. but it wasn't necessary. It's just a me thing. This is the hairline up close, and I'm showing you guys that it's not glued down. I did use the mousse to lay the lace flat, but for the most part it's not glued down. I can still lift it up, take it off, snatch it off if I need to, and it still looks amazing. The highlights in this wig are very beautiful, and I love that even after all of this playing and stuff I did with the hair, that it was not tangling. There wasn't very much shedding. Now there was a little bit of shedding because that happens when you color hair, but there wasn't a lot. Like I wasn't getting clumps of hair, which I have had before from colored wigs. So I have really high hopes for this wig. I think it's gonna last me quite some time. If you all are interested in trying this wig out, I of course will link it down in the description box below. And LUVME did provide me with a coupon code to give you all. I will leave that in the description box as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in the next video.